Hey everyone, welcome back to another CSS tutorial. Today we are diving into a super exciting topic, CSS backgrounds. Backgrounds are a huge part of making your website looks visually stunning. And today I will walk you through all the important background property you should know. So let's jump right in. So let me add div class container and div width 500 pixel, height 500 pixel, and border 1px solid gray, margin 50 pixel auto. Okay, so now I'm going to add background color. Okay, now I'm going to add background image. So this is the one property, background color. We can change any kind of color, like we can provide this color code, or we can just type red or blue or whatever color we need it. And here a lot of library available. Now I'm going to add next property. We can also, before the next property, I'm going to show you one more thing. We can also use opacity. 5. See, 0.81. So we can use this property with the background. Now background image URL images. So I have added this images, but it's a huge image. So background size. So okay, but at here is a repetition. Only I have these two characters. So one more property available at here, background repeat, no repeat, or we can repeat x. We can use repeat x to repeat only in x direction, or repeat y in a y direction. So this is the another property, and repeat. We can use background size have a few more options like contain or cover. It fill the whole area, and we can also change background position. Background position center. This is the center. Or if you want to check like size 200, so this is the center. Top right, bottom right, left bottom. So these kind of things we can use with the background position, center, and we can change cover, contain. So these are the few properties available. And now if you want to repeat, so use the 100 pixel and no repeat, like repeat, fill the complete area. So this is it for the background properties, and we can also write all these property in a shorthand. Let me show you. Background, after that we need a color. So what's the color? This is the color, and URL, this is the URL, and no repeat, and center. You can comment this. We can also add a size. So this is the shorthand property. At here is a background size not working. If we try it like this one will also not work. So we have to put it here after the center using the slash 150 px. After that background size working. So this is the good way to write a shorthand property, except this. And this is the div. Now one more example, like if we have a lot of content, like let me copy and paste this. That is a lot of content available. So if we comment this, so it's scrolling the background. So what we need, we have to put a background attachment fixed. Now we can scroll. Our body image will be keep at the same place. So this is the way to add one more property, background attachment. Or if we change to scroll, then it is scroll. By default it's scroll. If we change this to fixed, it's place at a same place. So these are the properties in CSS for background. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye.